Alright, part 2. Welcome back to my video. So I restocked them and everything, you know. Make sure that's rule number 1. Always want to have your merchandise stocked in full. Wanted to have colors. This was my first one. It was $22.50. Pretty good. I bought it for $26, so on the first one it paid it off. 26, made 22. I'm gonna leave like $10 in change though, because she told me that she needs change. Sometimes her store don't have change and they want to buy it, so it's always good to make sure you keep leaving with change. That's why I carry this one. You always want to carry the change, you know, singles and all that. Ya termina ponerlo. Termina ponerlo, solo que no se cae. Well, hope you enjoy my videos. I'm gonna be making more of these. This is my new little business. Shout out to my, gotta believe in yourself, Anthony's Vending Machines. That's pretty much it. Please make sure you hit the like and follow. Y'all come support my big headed sis. Wanna say anything to YouTube? Sharpstown area. 2nd floor, Sharpstown to the live. Best place in the West.
Wait, I'm so wondering why you want me. Stop! Stop! No, pues si te atreves a decirme de la noche, ¿a qué le puedes caminar?